Hey, this is how to replace a tail light from a Mercedes. This is a C-Class from 2005. So I have my replacement here. This one's already broken. Let's take a look at it. So we have 4 sockets. We're just gonna remove now. This is also how you get to the bulbs. There are a couple of different models. In this model you just pinch here. And these are all your bulbs here. If you need to replace them, if yours doesn't come with bulbs, then all you do is replace this. Okay, so we know there are 4 bulbs. Okay, this is how you get to it. You come in the trunk, you remove this panel here, and you locate the bolts. One is here, the other one is here, there's one more here, and the 4th one is through that hole there. Okay, so I removed all the bolts. Now I'm just gonna disconnect the electrical connection. Just pinch here. It should slide right out now. It's kind of difficult to do with just one hand. I'm just gonna try pushing it from the inside a little bit. Okay, so apparently it works better if you come on this side and do that. That made it pop out more. Yep, that's the way to do it. So because there's screws on this side and on that side, what you should do is grab it from this side first and try to pop it out. So from here. Okay, we have bulbs in this one too, but this has 4 clips, not just 2 like this model here. Okay, now we take our replacement. First, let's put that thing in there. See, it's an elongated hole there. So, try to match the screw. And then push it forward. Okay, now let's attach our 4 bolts. Gonna do that right now. Okay, I reinstalled all the screws. Now it's time to replug the electrical connection. Now all you need to do is check that the bulbs work. and reinstall the panel. Okay, that was it. Hope it helps. Bye.